Alrighty guys, we are here at the Grove City High School. The WPS-3000 here is no more. And they just did this, looks like today. A brand new WPS, I think 2910 or 2909 will be going up here. There's the cabinet. There's the remnants of the old pole there. As you can see, it's pretty well aged. I mean, I never thought I would see this in person, but yeah. There's that, and here's the massive WPS 3000 right here. It's crazy. I mean, this rotator box looks fairly new too. I mean, screws and everything. It's a shame, you know. I'm hoping that the county can, you know, reuse this siren for something else at some given point, for, you know, maybe a neighboring county or something. But yeah, rest in peace, Grove City High School 3000.